Hey sweet friends, welcome back. Today I'm going to be decorating my outdoor living spaces. I am creating a bow for my mailbox, and I know that some of you have asked me if I would make a tutorial on how I make my bows for my lanterns and my other items. I'm going to get a video together before this month ends. Okay guys, what I did with my front porch for this year, you can see it's all bare down on this end. I have stored the rockers away, and as pretty as they are, I decided to downsize it a little bit for fall and for the upcoming Christmas holiday. There is a sign that I added between the two birdhouse churches that says Autumn Blessings, and there is the Kirkland truck. I wanted to get some small pumpkins and put in there, but I didn't get around to it right now. There is a purple mom sitting there next to the bench, and that is an Afghan that my husband's grandmother had made for him, and there's a little story behind that. I'll have to tell you about that one day. And just a little faux pumpkin sitting there on the bench. The dried florals was some hydrangeas from the backyard and some of the maroon bush that I had told you about that turns so pretty, and I just put those in that galvanized vase. I wanted to fill up the tub with some pumpkins, but I didn't. With the prices of them this year, I decided not to go that route. There is the autumn sign that my husband and I had made, making its appearance again this year. A couple of little pumpkins and some yellow mums. I love yellow flowers, guys. Just a couple of little pumpkins. I didn't go all out this year. And over here, I added a new flag. I don't think I put this one out. And just a little pumpkin sign. And going up the steps, I still have the same rug. And then I wanted to fill that up with pumpkins, but like I said, with the price of them this year, guys, I did not do it. We did get, I think it's a spruce bush. Those are live bushes I put there in the Fairfield planters. Little lantern. I wanted to fill that up with some pumpkins, and I may get around to that. I'm not sure. And that pumpkin came from Lowe's. It's sitting over there between the chair and the planter. On my door is a welcome sign from Hobby Lobby that I got years ago, and I think they still sell those, and I still love it, so I decided to put that one up this year. And the welcome sign that came from Kirkland's clearance, and I love that up there. Now, before decorating my porch, of course, I love to go ahead, clean up my porch and my windows. Sometimes in November we get a 70, 75 degree day. When we do, I run out and sort of clean up my windows, but I like to do this about twice a year. Let me know in the comments, do you guys clean your windows once a year or twice a year? I'm really hoping by the time I do my home tour that my mums will be fully bloomed and so pretty to show you guys. Moving on around to the back deck, you can see nothing's been touched for a while. We did close out the garden and picked all the tomatoes. They're laying out there in the sun. Taking down some of this decor, got to do a little bit of cleaning, and then we'll do some decorating out here on the deck, and I'll show you how we enjoy our deck for the fall season. After getting the items put away and getting a little bit of cleaning done and a little bit of decorating, I came out this morning and this was my view of the sunrise, the sun reflecting off of the clouds this morning. Just a beautiful scene off of my deck. So this is a little bit of the decorating. I put a Be Grateful sign with pumpkins up there where the porch sign was before. A couple of little garden pumpkins. Added a couple of pillows that was from Kirkland's, and I thought the blue stripe with the orange just really went with this set. And then we have our little seating area, and it's a little mum basket that I got from Lowe's, and I really like that with the small pumpkin, and it just really gives that autumn vibe and that autumn feel.